My dear student, good morning to all of you. I am Vikas Kumar Singh, now going to teach you about pronoun. You must have read about pronoun and you know a lot about it. I know about it too. But in this class, we shall again revise it. So, for the first time, I am going to give you the definition. The word which is used instead of a noun is known as pronoun. For example, Ram is a boy. He reads in class 7. Now Ram is a noun and he has been used here instead of Ram. Hence, he is the pronoun. In the same way, Geeta is a girl. She is a good dancer. My brother has a bicycle. It is green. My friend had a pen. It was big. Those underlined words, for example, she, it, are pronoun because she has been used for Geeta and it has been used for bicycle and pen. Now we are going to know more about pronoun. So at first we shall learn about the kinds of pronoun. You are watching on the screen that there are 10 types of pronoun in English grammar. They are first the personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, distributive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Now we shall study these pronouns one by one. For the first time, we shall learn about personal pronoun. Now what is personal pronoun? Those pronouns which are used for nouns of persons or thing are called personal pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, etc. These pronouns change their forms as per case. We learn it through a table. As you are watching the table and you are also, I think, aware about all these pronouns. As you know that there are 3 persons in the pronoun: first person, second person, third person, and there are 2 cases and one adjective and other pronoun. Now you also know that in first person nominative case the singular is I, plural is we, and in objective case the singular is me and plural is us. For the same in the same way, in possessive adjective, I becomes my and we becomes our, and its pronoun means possessive pronoun will be mine and ours respectively. In the same way, in the second person, both the singular and plural have only one pronoun, that is you, as you are watching in the screen. and in the third person there are 4 pronouns which are he, she, it in singular and they in plural. Their objective case and possessive adjective and pronouns are also shown on the screen. Now you must remember all these things by heart. Now a few questions which are flashing on your screen. You must try to answer all these questions. Thank you.